Good afternoon, my name's Rob, I'm from APS Garden Machinery and I like to talk about the standard features and benefits of the Hayter Harrier 48 Pro. This is a commercial lawnmower, very well built and designed. It has a lot of benefits on here compared to your normal standard Hayter Harriers. It has more of a bolt-on add-on parts, being it has a, I'll start from the body, it has with the nudge bar here, it's just so that it protects the front wheels from getting buckled and protecting the deck. The deck itself is aluminium, which is a lifetime guarantee. That's one pressed deck. It has a central height adjuster, one arm, which will completely move the deck up and down in one single movement. There's no levers here or there. It has a, which is becoming a bit more of all standard of all machines, it has a easy wash, posy lock fit, snap on here, turn the tap on and then just pull the recoil, start the engine, and the idea is that the water in there, the blades will turn spinning around like a wash machine just to clean and get rid of all the grass that's collected on underneath the deck. Underneath the deck, under here, it has a second skin which can be replaced if you do hit it with a foreign body stone or something like that. It has a support arm here. This is just so it prevents with the twists and turns that you do so often that the arm here has got more support so it doesn't break or anything like that. It has a point here where you can lift the deck, the handle here. They've also introduced the BBC brake blade clutch system, so this enables you to empty the grass box or move an obstacle without having the engine stopping or having to restart the engine. The old Pro 48, this was a dead man's lever, it's not now, it's a BBC. I'll show you that in a minute. It's run by a Honda engine, which is a GCV 170. It's a 48cm deck, 19 inches. It has a 70-litre grass collector at the back. And as you saw in my other video, I've done a few stripes here just to show what the finish is. It's got a beautiful finish. It's got a split rim rear metal roller at the back. It weighs, say weighs a ton, it doesn't weigh a ton, but it certainly has got a lot of weight on here. You're looking over 50 kilos at least on these machines. And going back to the BBC, it has a lifetime guaranteed crankshaft with these. They've patented this Hayter this year, but there is a T&C where you do need to take this to your local dealer or somebody who can stamp the book to say that this has been serviced at least once a year to keep the lifetime guarantee active. Going back to the BBC idea, which has been very popular with the other brands, Honda, that we do. Hayter have never had that, it's just been a simple dead man's lever. But annoyingly, if you want to empty the grass box, it's always been a case, once you let go of the dead man's lever, the engine stops, you empty the grass box and then you have to pull the recoil. And as you saw me on the other video, I didn't need to do that. As soon as I let go of that, the blades stop and then the engine can just be still ticking over. And that's how it is. You just start the engine, as I do here. So now the engine is running. If I want the blades to engage, I will simply press the green button. I'll let go, the engine stops. And now it's just ticking over. If there's any questions, please email me at robert@apsgardenmachinery.com. Sorry, I say it's rob@apsgardenmachinery.com, or have a look on our website. We've got some fantastic prices on these and our other ranges at apsgardenmachinery.com. www.hayterharrier.com. Thank you.